In my previous video, I explained about upper bonds and lower bonds. In this video, we are going to talk about what if we have to take the combined upper bond and lower bond. For example, let's suppose I have two numbers A and B, and I have to find the upper bond of A plus B. So in this case, what I have to do is first I will take the upper bond of A and upper bond of B. Then to find the upper bond of A plus B, I will use upper bond of A plus upper bond of B. And if I have to find lower bond of A plus B, then I will use lower bond of A plus lower bond of B. In case if I have to find upper bond of A multiply B, then I will use upper bond of A multiply upper bond of B. In case if I have to use lower bond of A multiply B, then I will use lower bond of A multiplied with lower bond of B. If I have to find upper bond of A minus B, then I will use upper bond of A minus lower bond of B. And if I have to find lower bond of A minus B, then I will use lower bond of A minus upper bond of B. And in case if I have to find upper bond of A divided by B, then I will use upper bond of A and lower bond of B. And if I have to find lower bond of A divided by B, I will use lower bond of A divided by upper bond of B.